Merry Life Society plans its yearly service activities with the Goodwill Day. For this year 2021-2022, Agape Silicon Valley is a non-profit organization which has been supporting homeless people. As part of Goodwill Day celebrations 2021, on October 30th, Merry Life Society joined with Agape Silicon Valley distribution team to donate 20 tents, 60 sleeping bags, and 108 pairs of socks totaling around $2,100. Due to the recent rains, many had their tents and sleeping bags damaged. Merry Life Society is glad to provide at their hour of need. In Sullurpet, Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh, since 2019, Merry Life Society has been providing funds to support the ration on a monthly basis to elderly people who are not able to support themselves. This initiative came to us through a friend who resides in Bangalore. He has been a supporter of this cause for many years. These elderly people are identified carefully by a local vendor who has been into charity for 20 years. In 2021, we are supporting 40 elderly people. For the year 2022, we have pledged 4 lakh rupees to support 50 elderly people for monthly ration. Go Loka. A Go Samrakshana Kendra was started with a noble cause of saving cows. It is a couple of hours drive from Chikballapura, Karnataka. Goloka was started with a few cows and slowly people from surrounding areas started leaving the cows at Goloka. Most of the cows are very old and cannot produce milk anymore. Some are injured and some are rescued from slaughter homes. As the number of cows grew significantly, Goloka couldn't cope with the need and didn't have sufficient funds to feed the cows. With the rainy season approaching, they did not have enough money to build a shelter. In July 2021, Merry Life Society contributed 4 lakhs for construction of 3 25 by 50 feet sheds. Currently, there are around 329 cows. As the number of cows is increasing at Goloka, they need some guidance and direction to support this initiative. Our beloved Joshi sir from Bangalore group visited Goloka and will be providing guidance to them for sustained support. Merry Life Society is pledging an additional support of rupees 5 lakhs for this cause. In Hyderabad, we started an initiative to help priests that depend on day-to-day temple pujas and offerings for their living. With the pandemic, they are struggling for basic sustenance and groceries. We are providing financial support to deliver grocery kits of around 2000 rupees per priest that include rice, dals, etc. Merry Life Society pledged rupees 5 lakhs towards this cause. On Goodwill Day this year, we are providing grocery kits to 20 priests. Cherish, NGO at Kismatpur, Hyderabad, has been home for 40 plus orphaned girls. When the girls walk to school, due to their innocence, few people try to lure them to get out of the orphanage and make them as child laborers. Cherish founder approached Merry Life Society. Merry Life Society has contributed 18 lakhs for the bus as part of Goodwill Day 2020. With this amount, they procured a bus and are able to pay for its maintenance. The girls are now happily going to school by bus, avoiding unnecessary distractions along the way. Merry Life Society contributed to support the activities of Extra Mile NGO. These include distributing undergarments to 180 girls in orphanages costing 50,000 rupees, groceries to few PE teachers during COVID, 4 sewing machines costing 30,000 to support few Brahmin women in need during COVID-19. Merry Life Society also contributed 40,000 rupees to a handicapped person attacked by a poisonous snake in childhood to start his own business. We thank Sri B.R.K. Rajugaru for his support and guidance for the activities that we do in India. We thank Master for giving us a platform to perform group service activities. Master is the silver screen of all the activity. We humbly submit to the lotus feet of the Master.